Let's see how to change the Wi-Fi on a Ring camera. It works for any Ring camera. Here, for example, I have this Ring indoor camera, but I also have the Ring front door, and it works anyway, okay? Let me just show how it works basically with this Ring indoor camera. So if you have access to the app, you can change the Wi-Fi from here, or if you don't, you just need to reset the camera. Let me just show you first how to do it using the app. You just come here to the camera and go to the settings, and here you go to device health, and then you're gonna find change network. Okay, just tap on it, and here you're gonna tap on change network. There we go, it's connecting to the camera now, and then you just need to be near to the device. You see the camera says that's in setup mode. The light is flashing blue. Let me just check. So I just bring the camera here and check if it's flashing blue, which it is, right? As long as you have the camera flashing like this, you're good to go. Just tap here. The light is flashing blue. There we go. Now it's connected to the Ring app. And then here, just need to select the network that you want. Show all networks. It's going to show all the routers available here with the network. I have this one. In my case, I just need to insert the password and hit continue.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
There we go. The camera is connecting to the Wi-Fi now. And I just hit continue. And I'm good to go. It's working again. Okay. Here at the office. And you can do this with the front door camera if you want to. Same principle, right? Just come here to the device health and then change network, all right? And if you don't have access to the camera because you're selling it or you're in a new location without your router, you just need to come here and reset the camera. So here with this camera, you just need to press and hold the button here on the top, okay? And if you have a different camera like a doorbell camera, you just need to open the camera and press the origin button and hold for a while until the camera resets, okay? I'm just showing here that I'm going to press and hold this button, and the LED here is going to flash. So I'm gonna press and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see that's flashing here. Now I just need to wait for a while. You're gonna see flashing sometimes here. Then you just need to go to your app and add a new device, okay? Still not ready. Meanwhile, let me just come here to the app, and from here, you can just come to this menu here on the left side and select devices. And here you can set up a new device, okay? See that's flashing now. Set up a device. And then just need to read the QR code from the camera here in the back of the camera, or if you have the box, you also have the QR code just right here. So I got this one, and then I select the address that I want to have the camera connected to. And also here this chime, and I'm going to select the location and hit continue. Here just name the camera, let's say downstairs. The cover is open. It's into the house. The camera is on. And I need to have the password for my router, which I do. I'm near the device. And now it's preparing again. Connecting to the camera.
Now connected to the Ring app.
There we go. We just select your Wi-Fi. Here now you just need to insert the password and continue.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
Okay, so same way, either you're resetting the camera or using the app, works the same way, okay? And you're good to go. Just hit continue here. Continue again. Skip the tutorial here, skip the optimization. You can just do whatever you want here. I'm just skipping and hitting I'm done. And the camera's ready. Let's just update here. There we go. I got the message that the camera is working, right? I'm just move my hand here. See that's working fine now, right? Basically, that's the way you can change the Wi-Fi on a Ring camera. Hope that helps. Leave your comments here. Subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. And I see you in the next one.